called for 2 fouls early in the game against University of the East. Sean Manganti looked set for a quiet outing much like the one against Ateneo as he was forced to sit out the entire first half. It was an entirely different story in the second half as he helped power the Falcons to a rousing 90-76 win over the Red Warriors on Wednesday in UAAP Season 81. "That's what I've been trying to do this whole year, even in the preseason. I came out in the first game, really, I had a terrible game. Today I tried to make up for it," said Manganti. Manganti certainly did as he scored 22 of his 27 points in the second half, where the Falcons stretched their lead by as many as 20 points before cruising to their second straight win and their best start to a season in 15 years. "The first half I got 2 early fouls, so I had to sit down till the second half. Nothing really changed, I'm just doing whatever I can for the team," Manganti added. The lanky forward did everything in the second half, using his quickness against the heftier UAAP frontline and making all but one of his 7 attempts from the 2-point area. This includes a breakaway 2-handed jam to thrill the crowd. "I was so excited because that was my first dunk since season 79 cause in the season 80 I was filled with injuries. I was excited for that one, I was trying to give one for the crowd," said Manganti. While he's certainly got a bigger responsibility now on the offensive end, Manganti said he is ready to fill the role scorer and leader. "All I'm doing is I'm filling a spot. Last year it was Rob Manaleng. I'm just filling the spot, trying to be a leader."